hanamizuponko. I'm gonna teach you katakana by using everyday words. Japanese has 3 alphabets and katakana is one of them. Katakana is a syllable that is often used for transcriptions of foreign languages, expressing your feelings, or onomatopoeias. Also, katakana has the same characters as hiragana, but it's just written and used differently. Okay, today's katakana is wa, o, wa, wan wan, woof woof, o, otaku, geek, ninjin, carrot. Japanese doesn't really have words that starts with unless it's a local word. So, we have a word chain game called shiritori, and if you say a word ending with you lose. However, there are places with names that start with N in Africa, and we express them with katakana's So, I use them if someone ended the word with just to keep the word chain game going. Okay, this is the last part of basic katakana. I hope you learned some of it. See you next time!